This is my bike check of my 2011 Kink Gap XL. I got Kink Delta grips, blue and black splash, blue Kink Tower bars, black Mission fusion stem, piece of shit, headset I painted orange, Kink bolt forks, Kenda tire, Alienation PBR rim, straight shadow spokes, blue in the front, with a front Eastern Classic hub. It's sealed up, riding really nicely, and orange peg. Right here, Mission Rival seat post, Mission seat post, Kink Focus seat clamp, splash color, orange shadow chain, orange BBs, Mission transit cranks with Eclat PC pedals and an inside out Kink decibel sprocket. And the back set is just a Mission React cassette wheel. You know, it's got the Mission React cassette laced to an Alienation PBR. Gonna get a black sheep wheel black sheep rim in the back soon. Pretty stoked about that. And another orange peg and another Kenda tire. And that's pretty much my Kink Gap XL.